I had a lot of issues getting actual customized reporting, and then the process flow that we have at our company, I wanted something to adapt our process flow. I didn't want to fit into somebody else's bucket of what they depicted what the process flow should be. So I really like that I can work with the engineers and they work to what I need for like my current company and what we're doing. I changed it over to this TMS platform specifically because of the parcel, the LTL, the freight management that they have. They also had some row mapping that I really liked as well, as far as like inbound, outbound dock scheduler. And then the freight audit and pay went hand in hand with it. So, and I was able to correct the behaviors from the freight audit and pay over in the actual TMS itself for my day-to-day. And then I was able to customize a lot of the reports that I wanted customized. So something that I really wanted was incremental cost reporting. So something that's like, yes, my freight audit and pay can dispute it, but technically these charges are valid. And so they're not what I initially booked the shipment for. But the charges are still valid on the back end because maybe the classification was wrong or it had a lift gate. So those charges are valid, but we didn't have it there when we were previously quoting. So we changed those behaviors now on the front end, so that way those charges don't look incremental and they're caught in the front aspect of it now. I have a lot of high touch, so I have 3 schedulers on my team, and everything was being touched individually by email, by every single load that we had to get moved. Something that I was able to do with this TMS platform was now we're able to take all of our shipments that are going outbound that I have preset rules for like different customers. And now all of those shipments are starting to auto book based off of the rules that I'm setting within the TMS. And with that alone, that's brought my bandwidth down for my team. So, 20 to 30 loads per scheduler a day was super hectic. Now we could probably scale 70 to 80 loads. And so I can keep growing my team without increasing headcount, and I love that aspect of it too. So now we can actually dive into, okay, well, are there any tracking issues or any other issues versus, honestly, my team was just chasing their tail, just trying to get all the loads booked out for the same day, or trying to pre-book for, anything that came in, but we were just chasing our tails. It was all not proactive, reactive.